The next part for Say Less would be the improvisation section. Improvisation means you make up what you want to make up. And if it sounds good, it is good. Before you jump in completely, I thought I might give you a few easy ideas to experiment with. We'll start off with a one-note solo. So this piece of music is in the key of G. So can you find all of the G's on your guitar? There's one on string 6, one on string 4, string 3 open, string 1, another one on string 2, on fret 8, that's the beginning note of the melody. Way up here on fret 15. So find those G's and just experiment with those notes. Here's the practice track. We'll begin after the head. Okay, only G's. This is a good exercise just to find all your G's on the neck. All right, keep practicing that.